Look at it. Crazy Marshall. 6 months. Okay, that's easy. For me to watch. 37 months. Fanatic Brothers. Only 10 months. Hold on. That is 29 months. That's 4 months.
This is in the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. Don't make my system blow. Welcome to the new age. To the new age. Welcome to the new age. To the new age.
Nothing. 80 miles per hour.
Systems go. Sun hasn't died. Deep in my bones. Straight from inside.
35 miles
Bury me alive, bury me with pride, bury me with berries that forbidden fruit and cherry wine. Thank you very much, but tonight's my night and I'm buried by swinging for the faces, barbaric kid drinking out of time. Everything in life subject to change, change with, change ground, change clothes, change opinions. Right before I change my mind, I don't really know your business, been in this since I was bending Lego block. Now you tell the world about me, try snitch, tater tots on my shotgun, not gonna pop with nectar stars. Sky's the limit, I gotta finish after first rapper on Mars. Mark my word, I'ma make my mark. Even when they start their martial law, even when these Martians alienate my mental state, is still at heart. Fuck, look in my eyes, tell me your dots, tell me your thoughts, took up on mine, tell me you love me, tell me the I don't give a fuck, I can barely decide. Wish you could let go my enemies, all of my energy go to the almighty God. I get drowned in the bottle of Hennessy, fuck you amenities, I'm getting better with time.